Reagan, look at Mammy. Hey. Uh-oh. You dropped it. Good stuff. Is that good stuff? Get that out of my way. Get it out of my way. I want the food. Slow down. You better slow down. No, it's still in your hand. Is it good? Is it good stuff? Yeah. What you got? Got your juice?